Hi there, my name is Maureen Hewitt. I am Managing Director and Course Director at Positive Success Group, otherwise known as PSG. One of the things we've been most proud of is our ability to support and help our students through the learning programme to enable their levels of success in self-awareness, in self-confidence, and ultimately success in their home and work life. So you might be curious to why we've been able to hold this privileged position in the industry of developing and training coaches for such a long period of time. And in essence, we have watched other courses and companies go by the wayside or reinvent themselves or shape themselves with new marketing material. But at the core of really successful business, especially where it's around professional education, you need to have excellent learning with consistent quality syllabus that is delivered and facilitated in a consistent professional way. And in essence, that's what we excel at, making sure it's relevant and current for the marketplace. One of the best things of having years of success under our belts is that we've been able to identify the key success factors in what has brought us success for that length of time. And we've done that by asking the people that are most important to us, and that's our students. So we simply ask them, if you're choosing a course in executive and life coaching, what are the key learning objectives that you want to walk away with at the end of this course? And really their answers fall into three main categories. The first category is they want to become a qualified practitioner coach. So they want a credible and trusted qualification that's recognised in the marketplace, that attracts clients and it helps them build a sustainable client base and, in essence, a new income stream. So the practitioner piece is covered. The second reason is people want to come and upskill. Whether you're a HR director or involved in learning and development or any form of people development, then you need to be able to prove in your role that you have quality behaviours and skills to help develop others as well as yourself. The third main reason is for self-development, and in fact self-awareness underpins the whole theme of our course. It's crucial that you're able to manage yourself through all the challenges that everyday living is bringing you. So whether it's communicating better, dealing better with your relationships, making better informed decisions, all those things fall under the self-development category. So that's what we have to say about our business. What follows are some snippets from our students and what they have to say.
Yeah, it's been great actually. I really enjoyed it. I decided to do it last year, really from a personal development point of view. But I'm really learning some stuff, and I think I can really take it forward within the coaching space, you know, especially the pro bono coaching I'm doing just now. I'm loving it.
The most positive impact that I'm feeling from the course is I'm feeling more, I have a more positive way of living, of seeing and of thinking. And I think that is the most positive impact it had on me. I feel I'm a more confident person. I'm a more happy in a way that I'm more fulfilled, more happy with what I have. And I think that change on me was the most positive thing I took from this course.
The course has been amazing. I've gotten to meet people who are just on the same track, in the same environment, enthusiastic. But also it's been a great experience for me. Stuff that I thought I'd worked on has come up for me. Topics that I really wanted to work on have been just, again, so a great revelation for me in a personal development sense.
The course is so well structured. The people are from all various backgrounds, you know, in terms of career, personal experience, and so on and so forth, which basically creates such a great dynamism. And it shows that, for me what was very positive is it just shows that nothing is impossible, basically. Everything is possible. It just, you know, as long as you have the right mindset, and the course enables you to create that mindset, basically. You learn so much, you know, whether it's your reason might be for self-development or gaining skills in terms of, you know, within your career, or in terms of like self-management, helping others. I mean, I think because it covers all those areas and it shows that whatever can be applied in an area can be, you know, replicated in another area. I would say go for it.
Go for it. And I tell you why, because regardless of where you want to go in your life, this course is scalable, whether it be within current employment, whether it be looking for new employment, whether it be going out coaching yourself, getting clients and all that. It's an extremely scalable course.
Just take the chance to do it. Give yourself this present to yourself even if you don't want to be a coach, just to discover yourself. to take some time to understand yourself and to understand others, and how can you improve in your relationships with yourself and with others.